How to restore or recover IDFC Bank username. You first need to go to the IDFC First Bank official website on your computer, laptop, or smartphone. You can visit below official website link, https://my.idfcbank.com/start. After you go to the page, click on the Forgot Username option. Fill in your customer ID, country, phone number, and the CAPTCHA code. Then, click the Next button. Next, you can choose from account number or debit card and fill in the information as needed. Add account number, debit card number along with the expiry date and CVV number. Click on Next button. After that, you will get an OTP number by text message on the phone number you used to sign up. Enter this OTP number and click Next. After the OTP verification process is done, you can see the IDFC username that is on your screen. That concludes the straightforward procedure for obtaining your IDFC First Bank net banking login. Once you have your login, you may log into your account and make use of the IDFC net banking function.